Okay, this lesson is on the metric system. Before we start with that, let's start with something maybe we're more familiar with. What's called the U.S. customary units. You know them: a foot, gallon, pound. Do you know them? Let's find out. I'm going to give you some little problems here, and I'm going to suggest you take out a piece of scrap paper right now and just jot the answers down. That's all you have to do. See how many you get right. It'll be 9 questions. See if you get all 9 of them correct. This is a system we use, right? I'm not sure if it's a system, but it's the units we use. So, ready for the first one? A foot equals how many inches? You probably know this one, right? Do you get that one to be 12? Good. A yard equals how many feet? A little harder maybe. Maybe not. Did you put down 3? Good. Try this one now. A mile equals how many feet? Let you think about that one. Got your answer written down? Was it 5,280? Okay, let's switch to volume. A gallon equals how many quarts? Got your answer? Was it 4? Quart means quarter gallon, so it makes sense that it's 4. How about this? A quart equals how many pints? Did you answer 2? A pint equals how many cups? Like measuring cups. That's right, 2. Last one. A cup equals how many fluid ounces? You thinking 12? Maybe 16? Or were you thinking 8? That's the correct answer. Okay, let's switch to weight. A pound equals how many ounces? Not to be confused with fluid ounces, but just weight ounces. A baby weighs 7 pounds 4 ounces. How many more ounces does it take before it gets to the next pound? Were you thinking 16? Good. And this is a surprising number of people know the answer to this, even though they've never dealt with a ton of anything, probably. A ton equals how many pounds? Answer? 2,000. So let's look at these numbers. 12, 3, 5,280, 4, 2, 2, 8, 16, 2,000. What's the connection? What's the pattern? What's the system? There isn't one. Another question is, what's the connection between a foot and a gallon? Does a foot by foot by foot, a cubic foot, a box that big equal a gallon? No, a cubic foot's about 7.48 gallons. Not a very easy number to deal with. And what about the connection between gallons and pounds? Does a gallon of water weigh a pound? No, a gallon of water weighs about 8.34 pounds. Again, not an easy number to deal with. My point in all of this is there is no point. There's no rhyme or reason. There's no pattern. There's no system. We don't like this. Okay? So, the metric system is all based on this guy right there, the meter. It's all based on that. Meter, liter, gram. But it's still all based on the meter, as you'll see. Try answering these questions. 1 meter equals how many millimeters? 12? 5,280? Try 1,000. How easy is that? Or, how about a kilometer equals how many meters? 4? 16? It's 1,000 again. And the word kilometer gives that away. It means 1,000 meters. Essentially, the question gives away the answer. Try this one. A liter, how many milliliters? Hopefully you're seeing a pattern here. That's right, 1,000. And 1 kiloliter, which you don't hear very often. We'll see later on why we don't hear kiloliter, but it's a perfectly good unit, equals how many liters? 1,000. Hope you're getting a perfect score on these. Last 2. 1 gram equals how many milligrams? Are you thinking 1,000? And 1 kilogram, in other words 1,000 grams, equals how many grams? That's right, 1,000. Definite system here. And more importantly, or equally importantly, there's a connection between these. A meter is related to a liter, and a liter is related to a gram.